In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grok AI mobile app not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Turn off mobile data or Wi-Fi for some time and then turn it back on again. Make sure that your connection is stable. A weak internet connection is most common cause of app issues. Next thing you want to do is close the Grok app completely, then reopen it and check if the issue is fixed. Next, you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and tap on the search bar. Here, search for Grok AI. Now tap on Update if that is available. Updates fix bugs and improve performances. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on the Grok AI app, then tap on the app info icon. Now, tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your data. If it is still not working, you want to also tap on the clear data option. Once that is done, reopen the app. Now log into your account and check if it is working. In most cases, one of these steps will fix loading issues, crashes, or unresponsive features. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.